Hey everybody, just want to make a quick video to show you what I find to be the best skull shaver that I have tried in the past 6.5 years since I have been shaving my head. And I'll show you what I started with, and then I'm going to show you where I am right now and where I plan on staying for a while because they work great, or it works great. But when I first started shaving my head, I used to use something like this. You know, it's just whatever. When I started going really short with before I went completely bald, I was shaving it down to like hardly any hair at all. And at the barber shop I would go to, they would use this to get me as close as they could to my skull, you know, as close a shave as possible. And then what I did is I found the palm shaver. I don't know if you ever seen one of these before, but this is a good one. I mean, I like it, but it's funny because the reason I don't like it is because it's such a small head. And then I'll talk about that in a bit. And then I went to this other palm shaver, well, that has a larger head. So it covers more skull, so it's a little quicker. But you got to replace the blades every few months, just like you do with what I'm going to be showing you. And this one here, I've never replaced the blade in this one, and I probably should, but I really don't use it very often because I settled on, it's called the Groomie. I don't know if you ever seen the Groomie before, but and the reason I got rid of this one because I wanted a larger head. But then I got this one and it's a little bit smaller than the very first one. But it cuts better and shaves better than the other two or other three. And it's a very, very close shave, and it's fast. And, you know, I mean, it's really, really smooth when you're done. And, but I liked it so much, I got two of them. For about a year, I was using just one. And I'm like, you know what? Let's get another one. And it will take me half the time to shave my head, right? So I got two of them. Got two Groomies, and then, you know, it doesn't take long. I shaved this morning, so it's not very long, but once a day, you can shave wherever. I'll shave in my office during the day. I'll shave in front of the TV. I'll shave in the shower. These things are waterproof, and the head comes off. So you just take it off. And you could just put it in, fill your sink with water, and then turn it on, and then set it in the water like this. And with the blade down, the head down, and all the hair dust and all the hair will start spreading out in the water. It'll just start blowing right out into the water, and you have a nice clean blade. But what I do is I take them off, or I don't even take it off, but you can open these up. Okay, and then you could take the middle one out, so you got that. And then you could rinse them out in the sink like that, you know, or else I take an old toothbrush that I use just for cleaning this out. And it takes about, 10 seconds to brush it out with a toothbrush. And then you put the middle blade back on, and you're back in business. And one good thing about the Groomie, you can, every 60 days, you should replace the head, because while they're great and they work great, they get dull. And obviously you got to use them all the time. So they're going to get a little dull. So you can order the head right through Groomie, and they will send you a new head once a month or once every 2 months, whatever, 3 months, whatever you want. So pretty much when you get a new one and you're using it, in about 2 months you'll get another one, and that's just in time as this one's starting to get a little dull and start not getting as close as it did the first day you used it. Perfect timing. Throw it in the drawer because it still works. Trust me, you just save them. I'm going to show you something. Oh, you see that? Look at that. I got a whole drawer, a whole box full of them. I save them all because they're still good, and I have so many now I don't have to order anymore. You know, they're $20 I think per blade or per head, and then they send them out to you, and you get them, replace them, use them, whatever. But they work great, and that's the one I settled on, and I think you'll like it too. Link down below this video in my description. You can link to it. You can get them right on Amazon. So I'll just throw a link to Amazon, and you can grab one. And yeah, bald is beautiful. Have a great day. See you later.